Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So now we are going to discuss about the Oldham-Hackman job characteristic model in SPM. So let's discuss. So the Oldham-Hackman job characteristic model, which is designed by Hackman and Oldham, is based on the idea that the task itself is key to employee motivation. So it is based on the boring and monotonous job stifles motivation to perform well, whereas a challenging job enhances motivation. So the variety, autonomy and decision authority are three ways of adding challenges to a job. The job enrichment and job rotations are the two ways of adding variety and challenge. So it states that there are 5 core job characteristics. So there are skill variety, task identity, task significance, autonomy and feedback. So which impact 3 critical psychological states. That is, there are experienced meaningfulness, experienced responsibility for outcomes and knowledge of the actual results. So the outcomes are job satisfaction, absenteeism, work motivation, etc. So these are the impact and outcome for job characteristics model. And this theory proposes the high motivation is related to experience 3 psychological states. So there are meaningfulness of work, and second one is responsibility, and the third one is knowledge of outcomes. So the first one is meaningfulness of work, so that the labor has meaning to you, something that you can relate to and does not occur just as a set of movements to be repeated. So this is fundamentals to motivation, that is, that work is motivating in and of itself. And second one is responsibility, so that you have been given the opportunity to be a success or failure at your job because sufficient freedom of action has given you. So this would include the ability to make changes and incorporate the learning you gain doing the job. And the third one is knowledge of outcomes. So this is important for two reasons. Firstly, to provide the person knowledge on how successful their work has been, so which is turn and enables them to learn from mistakes. So the second is to connect them emotionally to the customer of their outputs, so thus giving further purpose to the work. So these are the Hackman and Oldham job characteristics. And next topic is characteristics of the job. So the first one is meaningfulness of work. So the work must be experienced as meaningful. So it is derived from skill variety, task identity, task significance. So the skill variety means using an appropriate variety of your skills and talents. So these too many might be overwhelming, too few and boring. And second one is task identity, so which is able to identify with the work at hand as more whole and complete, and hence enabling more pride to be taken in an outcome of that work. And next one is task significance, so which is able to identify the task as contributing to something wider, to society or a group over and behind the self. So the second type of characteristics of the job is responsibility. So the responsibility derived from autonomy, as in the job provides substantial freedom, independence and the discretion to the individual in scheduling the work and in determining the procedures to be used in carrying it out. And the third characteristic is knowledge of outcome. So this comes from feedback, so which is implies an employee's awareness of how effective he and she is converting is effort into performance. So this can be anything from production figures through to customer satisfaction scores. So these are the characteristics of the job. So this is then assessment, and these are the reference. Thank you.